James 4:10 Humble yourselves in the sight of the Lord, and he shall lift you up. So that is the message of the Lord for you today, that God wants you to be humble. And God wants you to be a generous person. And God wants you to give your tithes and offerings. God wants you to be a giver. And God wants you to give to the poor. And God wants you to give to the needy and to the widows. You should love to give, for that is what the Lord wants for you. For the Lord bless you, and the Lord will bless you more and more, and the Lord will give you more of what you need. And the Lord wants you to do the same as well, to give to the poor and to give to the persons who are in need. And God wants you to give for your offerings and for your tithes, and even to your pastors and leaders in the church. God is eyeing all your works and actions, and He wants you to live joyfully and to live righteously in His sight. The Lord will be with you, and the Lord will bless you more. Thanks for watching my video, and God bless you all. Bye.